Prescott called a conference. He want all the receivers come, all the tight ends. You hear me?
Yeah, you gotta love.
That's how you hook up. That's how you hook up, man. He just just a quarterback.
That's all he is. He just a quarterback. People don't understand that.
And he got a good job. But he got to improve.
Yes, he do.
He got to improve, man.
A lot.
A lot of them games, if you're a star player, a lot of them games, you're going to win them close games. Because that's when a star really plays.
Mm-hmm.
If the game close, that's your time to win it. You hear me?
Yep.
Yeah. And you know what? I've been going back. To just goddamn study football.
We got to, bro. We got to go. The defense, like you said, we finna be bad.
It's your 8 years. Come on, man. You done been in the.
We finna be bad. Bad to the bone. Bad. That's what he said. Y'all ain't hear, like he said, the Cowboys finna be bad, y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all better check it out.
They ain't gonna play with you.
Cowboys ain't finna play, y'all. They Cowboys.
I don't know who their running back gonna be.
We ain't allowed.
Because Pollard was hurt last year. Remember when the season ended?
Yeah, man. That's all good. We still gonna bust some heads.
Hmm?
We gonna bust some heads to the white meat. They ain't gonna be able to mess with us. I know that.
I wonder who they
What the
got.
fuck are they know?
I think they gonna miss Zeke though. Zeke had got sorry though. We couldn't get but a yard or two. You know, he good for 1 or 2 yards.
We're not doing shit.
Yeah, but Zeke got his money.
Fall down like 3 yards and shit.
I tell you another nigga, I hate they let go, Mike. They let that boy you remember Jerry Jones paid him his money. You remember when Zeke Elliott, he set out because he wanted to get paid. Jerry Jones paid that boy Jalen Brown, one of the linebackers. But they let him go. Now the Saints got it.
And now the what's the name want more money than them. And the other defense want more money than them. I'm like, man, girl, y'all got that.
They gonna get money. They gonna get the money. The defense right there. What his name? Lawrence. Yeah, they got a front four over there, Mike. They got a front four. That number 11 is, I'm telling you, they say, I just believe he's gonna have a long stay of year.
Well, it's going down there. The next one on that tell get your ass on, man.
You don't think?
Oh, hell yeah. That
defensive player? A defensive player?
Hell yeah, he gonna be able to get it.
Lawrence Taylor them did it. Ray Lewis did it.
He gonna be able to get it.
I told you don't know who they quarterbacks were. Phil Simms, Jeff Hostel. You don't know nothing about these folks. You know they played in the NFL or not.
Nah,
but that's who Ray Lewis done won the Super Bowl with.
That defense kills. People understand that, man. That's all you need. And all he needs to do is just act right.
Yeah, they got to come up with an offense that can drive.
Man. Yeah. Say. He be bullshit, man. He be bullshitting.
I tell you, I think Dak on the line too. If they stay healthy, Dak on the line.
You gotta say.
Yeah, he on the line because he got something to work with up there.
We just gotta come on with it. Like I say, we come on. He needs to come on. Bullshit, Jim. That bitch right on point.
Yeah, he won't probably get nobody. I see it, man.
He's just looking.
So good and yellow and brown too, man.
Yeah, he just looking, trying to see what's going on.
Yeah, I see it down there all on the sack and stuff. I see it. My Lord, goddamn, he hang around, man.
Yeah, motherfuckers.
I got some stuff, man.
Yeah, I know,
I'm
Mama
use
see
it all, man. And I got the can in my truck because I'm going to tell you to give me a can.
Yeah, Mama said, just shoot him.
Yeah, you shoot it. If then you just knock the nest down.
Yeah, we ain't got no nest. I'll just be shooting all day.
I'll
be shooting all day at these motherfuckers.
Yeah, like they land like that. They might tell you that stuff is foam.
Yes, yeah. Hit the yeah, but
no, they ain't flying at you or nothing.
No more.
They fall into the ground, and some gonna stack off. Okay. They gonna fall to the ground. Yeah.
Shoot their head. Bam.